Hi, welcome to Suncoast High School. As a Suncoast student, I'd like to take you on a video tour of our campus and help you get a bit more familiar. After you pass through our green gates, we greet you with our large open courtyard. This great open space hosts students both before and after school, as well as during the lunch period. The courtyard has plenty of benches for friends to gather. However, there's more options than just here. Our cafeteria, found immediately to the right of the courtyard, serves school lunch with a large indoor seating capacity. You may also find students gathered in teachers' classrooms during lunch, who hold tutoring sessions and some of our many clubs on campus. During this time, some students also take advantage of the Charger Commons. Found directly to the right of the cafeteria, behind our administrative offices, this modern productivity center includes our school library, large tables to host study sessions, conference rooms for small groups and projects, and a small computer lab. Behind our Charger Commons, you can also find the Green Room, a more specialized crafting room, as well as the Journalism Production Room, hosting the students responsible for our school news and outstanding yearbooks. Back in the courtyard, front and center stands our 3-story tall main building. Entering the Atrium, you're greeted with bright light and tall ceilings welcoming you in. This same room greets our nearly 1,600 diverse students, of which speak over 50 languages. Of our many notable classrooms, our computer labs are prepared for our CS and IIT programs, including computers with industry software for coding and game simulation and animation, one of our 3 IIT pathways. They tie in nicely to our specially equipped room for the IIT program's draft and design pathway. Our photo room services IIT's 3rd pathway, teaching the capturing and editing elements of commercial photography. Our science-orientated classrooms are fully utilized by our science and physics departments, a core element of the MSc program, and allow for live experiments and demonstrations to further enhance students' understanding. Outside of our main learning programs, many fine arts classes are available to students, including our art department, with designated drawing areas and processing spaces in the classroom to help students with specific forms of artwork, as well as large engineered rooms to enhance the performance of our award-winning band, choir, and theater. Connected to the main building, and to the left of the courtyard, our experience-designed auditoriums host many school assemblies and performances, as well as our award-winning theater department. The large stage allows for elaborate set pieces and a modern digital technical booth to manage sound and lighting, all run by our very own students. Opposite of our administrative offices, you'll find yourself at the gymnasium. This wide open space hosts some of our 44 different sports teams, including a full-size basketball court and an indoor volleyball court. Specialized rooms surround the main court, used for even more activities such as dance and weightlifting. This wide open space of the main gymnasium also hosts our popular pep rallies and tournament-style events. Beyond our proud standing buildings, our campus also holds many courts and fields for live sports, including our softball and baseball fields, tennis courts, and our multi-use stadium and track, capable of hosting football, soccer, running sports, and even more, with ample seating to enjoy. Thank you for watching. For more information about our 4 select programs or any further questions, please visit our website and watch our program guide with in-depth presentations from our administrators about our programs at Suncoast. I hope you enjoyed seeing a little of what Suncoast has to offer.